Hello guys, Happy New Year. It's the first day of 2021 uh, and welcome back to my tutorial. And today let me um, get continue from the last episode. I know it has been a long, kind of like over 1 year since my last video on this computer vision on ZYNQ tutorial. Sorry about that because I kind of in a difficult situation. I don't have a stable job, so I barely have time uh, to update these tutorials, and also because it's a I've been considering that maybe this will become one of my um, one of my ways to method to get myself to a safe place. So I kind of like to just looking for hope. I've been looking for the hope for for some time, still for some time yet. Maybe I'll get investment from someone, so I can, I can get to a safe land and with a legal visa. Because personally now I'm here applying for political refugee in South Korea in the Jeju Island, on the Jeju Island. Um, yeah. So, but uh, uh, I think it's very difficult for me to get the investment for my current situation now because I don't have a team, and not to say that I cannot go back to China, and I cannot set up a team. So I decided to continue to open source this project, so that I hope they can help people who need it, because I really don't know how far I can run over. It's really very difficult. I even don't know where I will be tomorrow. I don't have the long stay visa here in Jeju Island, so I don't know where is my next destination in my life. I want to go back to China, but China is not safe for me because of my speeches online that against the Chinese Communist Party, short for CCP. Um, wait a second. So, okay. So, uh, also I've been kind of been over kind of I've, you can visit my GitHub. I have uploaded some files. This is um, the source file, and so let me show you. It's been a long time. I don't have a chance to speak English with people, so kind of like a deteriorate. It's not different. I myself am not the English speaker, so my English is not so good. So I hope that you can still follow. But I guarantee you that this project is variable. It's a challenging technology, and it's a promising technology product in the future, because in a lot of industry there will be a need for 3D sensor, which you would need not just for the require not just RGB image, but also um, the location of an object. So okay, so now let me go over this still IP stereo IP. In this stereo IP, it's actually my own IP, because I used to intend to sell my IP to other people, so that they can pay me a license fee. Um, and now forget about this. I think that's another chance for me to continue on this project, because I'm being shifted to another direction. I want to I want to build websites. Sorry, websites that decentralize the websites. This. So I'm trying to spend and spend my time focus my time to build a project, to a website like this one. So I decided to open source completely to my 3D sensor project. So I hope it will be useful for you guys. And trust me, this is a project that is very, very useful, and it's very variable. But I'm kind of sorry that it's kind of like after 2 years, I've forgot a lot of details. So it will cost me some time to get familiar with this source code, all this source code. And also I have I've uploaded my design. My designed system diagrams, and this is a draft. But it describes it can help understand the source code, so you can look at this, but maybe you have to be able to understand Chinese for this module. Yeah, but don't worry, I would try to translate this later. Even though I kind of unstable, I will try to squeeze. I try to find some time to to make a kind of a translation from the Chinese to English, or make it more formal, make this system diagram more formal, so you guys can easily follow along my idea. Okay. So and this is source code, and here. Let's go over this. Why is that? I kind of get confused as well. Here, so IP code. Under here, there's a source code, and this is a model scene simulation. Okay, so still can run. Okay. You can run this model scene like this one. Where is it? Oh yeah, you can run like this one. Simulate. Okay, so this is a top level model. So it's a model. It's a kind of like a simulation input signal you generate. Okay. So this is the whole source code and top module. Yeah, I do hope that I have time to continue this and but explain a very detailed. But if you are very eager to continue with faster, you can visit my my GitHub, and then you will I've uploaded a complete source code, almost complete source code here. Which one? Sorry, I forgot. I will upload again. It should be have the source code here. Okay. So so stay tuned, and next is simulation, the model scene simulation for the sensor transform. Okay. So yeah, I'll be see you next time, and happy New Year again. Okay, so yeah, bye bye.